What's up? My name's Kamal, and today we're making a video on the parking brake. Basically the issue that most Cayenne owners are going to know about this, but if you use your e-brake and you have your little brake light in there telling you your e-brake's on, you go down here to release it and the light doesn't go off. And then you gotta come down here with your foot and do one of these things. You know, and then it finally goes off. Yeah, most of us probably just deal with that. We're used to it, but what I found is like we never use the parking brake because just don't want to deal with that. So we're gonna replace the damper for it, which I guess is the problem is the damper. Yeah, this thing's nice and new. But yeah, the old one just goes bad and it doesn't push the parking brake all the way out when you release it, which then pushes the switch that turns your light off, which tells the car the parking brake's not on anymore. So yeah, this should be pretty easy. The only thing I have is just like a pocket screwdriver. Has little metal clips. Sometimes with the one in the car, you can get under it and twist it. To pop the metal clip out first, you can see the little pieces of it kind of grabbing, which grabs the like ball thing on the parking brake. And then we might be able to get this off by hand, we'll see. If not, probably just use a bigger screwdriver and kind of pry it off that way. This was only $16. I got it from Pelican Parts, which some of you might know of because they do a lot with Cayenne stuff. This is the part number right here for the one we got, which we didn't get OEM, we got this company, Stabilis, I guess, might be Staboshock. It's still made in Germany, so it should be like the OEM. So let's swap this out and see how well it does. So it's pretty straightforward. Just coming in from the outside, you can see it right there. It's not really hidden at all or anything. So it should be pretty easy to get to. And yeah, right there, you can actually see, I think that's the little switch that when the parking brake hits that, it turns off your brake light. So yeah, we're gonna swap this out really quick and see if it just does its thing when we pull the release. Can you see that?
Yeah.
You just...
I got a zoomed way in, but yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Just this is what I was saying is it might not really come off by hand. Oh, it does. Okay. You can see the little ball it attaches to. Now just to get the one in the back. Yeah, the one in the back was a little more difficult to get the pocket screwdriver under here. See, this says, like this might be the date, 21 for the year.
Yeah,
It says 06. So that's when the car came out. So yeah, this is basically, I guess, would be OEM.
Yeah.
I don't know. See, that's what's weird is, like, if it's branded Porsche, it's just more expensive, I guess.
Because look, it's even the same.
That's what I'm saying. It's the same company.
And
And then the new ones, I don't really mess with the metal clips. You should be able to just push it on with this in the locked down position. So I'm gonna see if I can real quick. Yeah, pushes on pretty easily. Oh, this is kind of crazy. It's actually, there we go. But yeah, it was like hard to get it on. Yeah, no, it was tough. It was actually kind of tough to get it on this side because I had to like pull this out all the way, and because it's hard to compress it because it's new. But when it's fully expanded, it's like a little bit longer than what it needs to be to get onto the ball part, you know what I mean? Kind of had to push it back and pull this forward as much as you could to get it on. Let's see. It works now. It's pretty easy.
Go.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so all you really need is just a pocket screwdriver. It just helps. You can actually pull these off without like working the clip off. It just, if you work this off, it makes it a little easier. This one actually like won't go back into place. It's kind of like it needs to be shifted that way, which can be kind of difficult. I mean, since we're throwing it out, it doesn't matter anyways. But yeah, with the new one, I just leave that in place and this should pop over the little ball pieces with no problem. But yeah, you can see how this one doesn't push itself back out anymore. And the new one was really hard to get it, push it back at all. And that was the thing, is I put this side in the car first, and at the end of the e-brake pedal, try to get this one on, but I had to like pull the e-brake pedal this way and kind of push this as much as I could to get it over the little ball part, because fully extended, I guess it's just that little bit longer than it needs to be in order to make sure that e-brake pedal goes all the way back out, which now it does, and we can use the e-brake again without having to use our foot on the pedal. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.